Now we are starting with problem set 3. Of course, first question is MCQ. Choose the correct alternative answer for each of the following sub-question. First question is sequence is given -10, -6, -2, 2. Purposely sequence word is used. It is asked it is AP or not AP. If AP, what is D? If AP, what is D? D is -16 or -4 or +4. Neatly observed. Numbers are increasing or decreasing? -10, -6, -2, 2. Numbers are increasing. -10 is smaller than -6. -6 is smaller than -2. 2 is bigger. All numbers are increasing. So D will be positive. Then we have to check whether D is 4 or not. -10 plus 4, -6. -6 plus 4, -2. -2 plus 4, 2. So it is AP. Every time difference is +4. D is 4. So what is the correct alternative? B. How it comes, that is very important. In examination you have to write only question number 1, answer B, 1B. But here I am putting correct mark. Next question. The first 4 terms of APR, we have to find first 4 terms. Its first term is -2 and common difference also -2. If A is -2, common difference -2 means every term is get added with -2. So first term is -2. Second, when -2 is added in -2, it become -4. When again -2 is added, -6. Again -2 is added, -8. So what will be the answer? -2, -4, -6, -8. As D is -2, it is decreasing. Negative number increases. -2, -4, -6, -8. Where is -2, -4, -6, -8? C answer. Then third, what is the sum of first 30 natural numbers? Now first 30 natural number means 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 30. A is also 1, D is also 1, N is 30. We have to find sum of all. Yes, 30. So I am doing here rough work. A is 1, D is 1, N is 30. We have to find S 30. Sn is N by 2 bracket 2A plus N minus 1 into D. S 30 is 30 by 2 bracket 2 into 1 plus 30 minus 1 into 1. So it is 30 by 2 into bracket 2 plus 29 into 1 is 29. So 30 by 2 into 31. So 2 and 30 can be cancelled, or first do product and then divide by 2. Anyhow, 30 into 31. 0, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 930 upon 2. 930 upon 2 will come 4, 2 4s are 8, 1 remain, 2 6s are 12, 1 remain, 2 5s are 465. Whether 465 answer is given anywhere? Yes. And those who are good in mathematics, not necessary to do all that work. They can do orally also and they can remember also. When n natural numbers are there, always it is n into n plus 1 upon 2, 30 into 31 upon 2. Those who have good memory, they can remember it. Sum of first 30 natural number means 30 into 31 upon 2. 40 natural number means 40 into 41 upon 2. So this is the rough work for this question. Rough work for this question. Now last means on the board, last one. For an AP, T7 is 4, D is -4, find A. So use Tn formula, substitute D value, N at 7 and find A. So that rough work I am doing over here. Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. T7 is what is A given? A is asked to find. What is N? 7 minus 1. What is D? -4. T7 value is also given as 4. So 4 is A plus 6 into minus 4. 6 into minus 4 is minus 24. A plus 6 into minus 4. 6 into minus 4 is minus 24. So A plus minus 24 is A minus 24. So 4 plus 24 is A. A is 28. Check whether 28 answer is given. Yes. So that is the answer. So this is the rough work for this question. This is the rough work for this question. Neatly write that rough work also in your notebook in one corner if necessary. Now I am explaining next 3 questions. Purposely I kept place over here to solve those sums if required. Explain those sums. A is 3.5, D is 0, N is 101, find Tn. Many students will write 101 plus 3.5, 104.5 like that something. But remember D is 0, D means common difference. If common difference is 0, then all the terms are the same. All the terms are the same. Means A is 3.5. T100 also 3.5, T101 also 3.5. So 100 and that is only 3.5. A is 3.5, second term also 3.5, third term also 3.5. All terms are the same. So answer is 3.5. How? I will explain here. For rough work for 5th. Answer for 5th. A is 3.5, D is 0. Therefore, sequence or AP is 3.5 first term. Next term add D 0 in that. 3.5 plus 0 is 3.5. 3.5 plus 0 is 3.5. Add again add 0. So all terms will be 3.5. So 100 number term also 3.5. 101 number sum which is asked T101 is also 3.5. So correct answer is 3.5. Now I will explain you 6th sum. First 2 terms are minus 3 and 4. Find 21st term. T1 and T2 is given. A is minus 3. D is T2 minus T1. Second term minus first term. 4 minus minus 3. That is 4 plus 3. That is 7. And we have to find 21st term. T21 equal to question mark. So Tn formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. T21 is, what is A value? Minus 3 plus 21 minus 1 into D is 7. Minus 3 plus 20 into 7 is 140. And minus 3 plus 140, different signs. So take the difference and put the sign of bigger number. It is 137. 137. Neatly observe. 137. So what is the answer? 21st term is 137. And last, D is 5, T18 minus T13 is asked. Tn is, I am doing rough work for 7th. A plus n minus 1 into D. T18 is A plus 18 minus 1 into D. That is A plus 17D. T13 is A plus 13 minus 1 into D, that is A plus 12D. Therefore, T18 minus T13 is A plus 17D minus bracket A plus 12D, A plus 17D minus A minus 12D, A minus A cancel, 7D minus 12D is 5D. And D value is given over here. D is 5. So when D is 5, it is 5 into 5. 25. T18 minus T13 is 25. 25. Check how it is solved and then neatly write the answers. Don't only mark the answer, everything over. In examination, any number can be changed and asked. The sum of first 5 multiples of 3 is asked. First 5 multiples of 3. I am writing here rough work for answer 8. First 5 multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. You have to make total of these. But instead of doing 3 plus 9, 6, 9, etc., we can use formula also. A is 3, D is 6 minus 3 is 3, and N is 5. We have to find sum of 5 terms. Sn is n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Is equal to what we want, S5. S5 is equal to 5 by 2 bracket 2 into 3 plus 5 minus 1 into 3. That is 5 by 2 into 2 into 3 is 6, 4 into 3 is 12, 5 by 2 into 18, 2 9s are 18, 5 9s are 45. So what is the answer? 45. This is one method. And those who are good in addition, they may do like this also. 3 plus 6, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 and 12, 30, 30 and 15, 45. As only 5 terms are there. But if many terms are there, we have to use the formula. Now 9th, 15, 10, 5, etc. In the sum of first 10 terms, S10 is asked. What is A? I am doing rough work over here for this 9th. What is A? 15, first term. D, 10 minus 15, minus 5. 10 minus 15. 15, 10, 5 means decreasing by 5. So D is minus 5. And we want S10. S10, sum of first 10 terms. Then Sn formula, n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S10 is 10 by 2 bracket 2 into 15 plus 10 minus 1 into minus 5. 10 by 2 into bracket 30 plus 9 into minus 5 is minus 45. 30 plus minus 45 is minus 45. So 10 by 2 into 30 minus 45 is minus 15. 2 and 10 cancel. Minus 15 and 5 product is minus 75. Minus 75 given? Yes. Minus 75. And last, in an AP, first term is 1. Last term is 20. Last term means Tn. Sum of all term is 399. So for sum of last term Sn, there is one more formula that we have to use. I am using it here. In this part, you can pay attention. Sn is n by 2 bracket, we know 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That 2a plus n minus 1 into d is nothing but a plus tn. Why? Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is one of the formula. Sum of n term is n by 2 into bracket first term a plus last term tn. It may be written last term as l or tn. So we have to use this. In this sum of all n term is given 399. n we have to find. A is given first term 1 and last term Tn is given as 20. So 399 is equal to n by 2 into 21. So n is 399 into 2 upon 21. Now cancel. For that you must know the table of 29. 29 ones are 29, 18 remain, 21 nines are 189, 19 twos are 38. 19 into 2 is 38. So what is n? 38. 38 such terms are there. Is it there? Yes. So this is the answer for 10th. Answer for 9th. Answer for 8th. Means orally it is not possible to do. It will take 1-2 minutes time to solve 1 mark question. So neatly you have to solve in board examination such alternative if it comes from this lesson.